The outer peristomial teeth are hygroscopic in nature. In dry weather, these outer peristomial teeth they lose water and bend outwards. This causes widening of the gap between outer and inner peristomial teeth, leading to formation of a slit-like structure. Now through this slit-like structure, the spores can be discharged to the outside. In moist weather, the outer peristomial teeth absorb moisture and swell, closing the gap between the outer and inner peristomial teeth. This prevents the liberation of spores to the outside. So the spores can be discharged only in dry weather. The spores have two walls. The outer wall is called the exosporium and the inner wall is called the endosporium. At the time of germination, the exosporium breaks and endosporium flows out to form a germ tube. This germ tube grows, divides and forms many branches. Ultimately, the divisions and branching lead to the formation of a filamentous stage that is called the protonemal stage. This protonemal stage shows two types of branches. The branches which penetrate to the substratum, they are called the rhizoidal branches. The rhizoidal branches show perpendicular cross walls. They show absence of the chlorophylls. Now some upper branches of this protonema develop chlorophylls. They are called the chloronemal branches. The chloronemal branches show oblique cross walls as against to the rhizoidal branches. The chloronemal branches develop buds which grow into gametophytic plants of Funaria. In favorable season, this filamentous protonema breaks into many parts, which increases the frequency of the bud formation. So this multiplication of this protonema by fragmentation is also called the vegetative reproduction in Funaria. So here we can understand that this filamentous protonema serves as a transient stage in between the formation of the mature gametophytic plants. In this image you can see the buds on the protonema have grown into mature gametophytic plants. The mature gametophytic plants later develop their own rhizoidal system. The rhizoids in the mature gametophytic plants show oblique cross walls.